Hello YouTube, I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney on this channel. We answer publicly posted questions from YouTube users, getting folks the answers they need from an employment attorney. We have a question here today from YouTube user Soundmind Gaming Network, who asked us, how do you deal with an employer, the owner of the business, who doesn't even have an HR department, that seems to sweep any and everything under the rug when you attempt to report an incident to them, especially when the incident happened with a coworker and the owner has pretty much known the majority of his life. And that person not only threw racial slurs at you, but threatened you in the same incident. Can you help guide me on what I should do to further handle the situation? Thank you for your time in advance. Excuse me. Okay, so first and foremost, you have to document everything. We have a video on the channel about creating a timeline and documenting. You need to be doing that. You may also want to check out our evidence playlist. It's very key that you document everything. Now, if HR is doing nothing to help you, and that's the norm, HR exists purely to protect the employer. The only reason they're ever going to help you is if helping you helps the employer, right? That's HR works for the employer. It does not work for you. So you not having HR to go to, not a huge detriment. Actually, I would view it as a benefit. So that's a good thing. Now, you're going to need to schedule 3 to 5 free consultations. Don't pay for the consultations. Schedule free consultations with experienced employment attorneys. On this channel, we have a playlist of how to find an employment attorney, which involves a lot of videos on locating and pitching your claims, your case, to an employment attorney. Highly recommend you hit that entire playlist. Get your pitch together, tighten it up, make it as compelling as is possible. Then, hit up our How to Evaluate an Employment Attorney playlist. Go through those videos. And as you're going to these consultations, be armed with that information that will help you decide which of these attorneys is the best option for you. The best deal in terms of the retainer, the arrangement, the contingency, everything. But also the best representation, the most ethical, the most caring, the one you work with the best. These are all things to consider. You need all of these things in place to make this work. Once you have all that, you're in good hands. If you can't find local representation, hit up the national firms. But beyond that, I mean, that's the path. If HR won't help you, if there's no internal support, if there's no path forward within the company, time to talk to legal counsel. That's the path. That's the only way. I hope this helps. If y'all have questions or comments, hit it up down below. Like, subscribe, comment, and share the channel so we grow. Take care.